Good morning. It's March... Wait lang ha. Okay, it's March 29, 7:16 a.m. And alis na kami. Balik na kami ng Paris.
Tagal Paris talaga kami.
Yeah.
Parisian.
Yeah, that's right. We're Parisian. Hindi guys, ano kasi, doon kasi yung airport namin papuntang US. Pero bukas pa yon. So, mayroon kaming one day sa Paris. You know, to buy the anik-anik if may space pa yung luggage bag. Tignan mo naman yung luggage bag namin. It's so heavy! It's so heavy!
Wala nang puling ba eh.
Oo. I don't think mag-shopping pa kami. I don't know. We'll see. Tignan mo yung labas namin. Ang ganda. Very peaceful kasi maaga pa nga. Let's go out. Okay. Aray ko. See. Hala. There. Look at this. Peaceful, di ba? Wala pang tao kasi it's early. Peaceful pero tignan mo yan. Ang pangit tignan. Inaayos nila. Inaayos nila.
Kakad ako sa'yo.
No. Good.
Yeah,
Ay,
look.
may evidence dun sa mga video ni Pao.
Oh.
Mas matangkad ako sa inyong dalawa.
Okay.
Bye!
Hindi na matutulog sa kanya mag-tiktok na lang siya. My leg.
Alis na kami. Andyan na yung... I think yung boat. Bye-bye na. Send message.
Susulat ko yan.
Nasa boat na kami. Wala na si Wana. It's just me and Nix. We have 20 minutes papuntang airport. Hi guys! We're here nasa gate B51. Yan yung gate namin. And 10:15 yung yung 10:15 yung alis ng plane.
9:25
Boarding, 9:20.
going back to Paris. Para kumain ng croissant. Charot.
Bien.
Yes.
Gusto ko
bumalik ng karet.
Same.
One more.
Alam mo ba, iniisip ko, baka magsawa naman si Bao, kaya hindi ko na lang in-open up mo.
Magsabi ka next time. Parang siya nga to.
Sabi ko, parang gusto ko bumalik ng karet later on. Like later tonight, kasi ng 11 siya lang. Sabi ko,
May dinner ba sila?
may iba silang food eh.
Okay.
Gusto kong bumaba. Kaso baka magsawa si Pao na parang, we already tried that. Parang ganun.
Yeah, so maybe dinner. Kasi breakfast naman yung na-try natin before eh. So yun lang. Okay? Baka babalik ako pag nasa Paris na kami.
See you in Paris.
Or maybe sa plane. Not sure. Bye.
For today's vlog, going to Paris.
Paris! I know.
We're going back to Paris.
One more, last shopping.
Last gala.
Last gala.
Last gala na saan? Paris.
Yes.
Di parang gusto ko ng ganito sa sa Paris.
So, mayroon pala talagang shopping na mangyayari.
Bili na hair man, luggage ba?
Yeah.
Nag-wearing ka pag nagtingin na sa akin, nakaganito lang ako.
Malamig kasi, guys. Anyway, we're here in Paris!
Back in Paris! Bonjour, bonjour!
Back to Bonjour Bonjour! Sakay tayo sa bus. So cold. Kunin namin yung bag. Ay, wala pa pala yung bag. Grab my bag na. Thank you. Maglalakad kami sa hotel namin, guys, kasi malapit lang. 8 minutes walk from the international airport. Train kami by Wana. Shout out! That's our hotel! We're here. We're here. We're here finally. Very beautiful. I think I lose weight, guys. Kasi, itong pants, very loose.
Nice na. Siya kami last day.
Oo. Ay, ko. Ano nga number?
410.
Ay, very neat. Guys, pupunta kami ng Karen to eat lunch. Let's go.
Kakadating lang, alis ka agad.
Oo.
Takot na sayang kasi ang araw.
Yes.
Mahalang bayad namin nito.
Exactly. Tapos, nag-change yung time. Kaya, kailangan talagang umalis at magkalape.
Nabuwasan ka ng 1 hour.
Tama ba?
Oo, 1 hour
Kasi
lang.
2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Magiging 2 o'clock. So, diba sinanong?
Kahit hindi siya nabawasan, kailangan nyo talagang umalis eh.
Yeah.
Para saan nagbakasyon pa kayo? Kung nasa apartment, sa hotel lang kayo.
Para sa parang hindi kayo mabalik sa bakasyon.
Oo. Sa bahay na mag-rest.
Kaya kayo may bahay to rest. When you're on vacation, you see things.
Yes.
Experience things. And you eat things.
Oo. Especially pag last day na.
Oh,
Go
yeah.
lang ng go, be. Wala nang time para maghiga-higa.
Hindi parang humigabi.
Oo. We have to ride the subway, guys. Doon tayo papasok. Guys, ito pala yung kailangan mo pag mag-pass ka dyan. This one. Bibili ka doon. It's
Airport.
Airport to Paris. So, it's 26 euro.
Balikan.
Balikan. Uy, dito!
Okay. Merci.
Balik ulit kami dito sa Karen. Let's get this one, guys. Lunchtime! First time kong makatry ng snail. Ito na yung aftermath, guys. Actually, yung lunch nila, hindi siya masyadong masarap. At saka ito din, hindi siya masarap. Pero, if you wanna eat breakfast, dito talaga. Kasi masarap yung breakfast nila. Isang sarap nito. Bibili tayo. For the fam. Actually, for me. Kasi, hindi na for the fam, for me na yan. Tsaka meron din silang, macarons. I think I'm gonna get some of that too. Dadalhin ko. For me, again. Gonna be, it's 21 euro. And then the macaron is 20 euro.
Yes, please.
Sasakay ulit kami ng train, papuntang Polen.
Metro.
Mag-check lang.
Titingin lang.
Oo, tingin lang.
Tingin lang, wala kang pera eh.
Okay, we're walking na to Polen for 18 minutes.
8 lang.
Ay, 8 pala, sorry. 8 minutes pala. Ganda guys, ang taas ng line dyan, tapos pupunta pa dun. Dito. It's so long. We cannot do this. Kailangan namin maghanap ng ibang Polen. Kasi, nung first namin punta dito, may nakita kami yung Polen dun sa may arc. Tapos, akala kasi namin ito yung right address eh.
32 minutes, babe.
Oh my gosh, that's far. This is cute. Okay. Oh, this is 440 euro. Cute. Can I see it?
This? We show you on the table.
Okay.
Yes, slightly different.
So cute. Yes. Let's see. Yeah. Ah, we got Polen!
Puno! Twinning! Wala na namang makakain. Mga
Croissant na lang kami.
Mga
kahit
3 months.
kahit dinner croissant pa rin.
3 months, Nga.
Nga 3 months. Sardines na lang guys, sardines. Yeah. Thank you. Pagod na ang mga person.
Ayoko na, uwi na ako.
Excited na siyang mag-work.
Excited na ako mag-work. After everything that I bought, I'm
Yeah.
ready to go back to work. I
Yeah.
don't want to go back here anymore.
For a while.
For a while. I spent a lot of money. I don't want to anymore.
Balik hotel na kami.
So pretty. Hindi ko matanggal siya mag-food. Hindi siya out-food. Bakit naman gano'n?
Let's get some drinks. Kasi wala kaming drinks. Nasa hotel na pala kami, guys. Kasi kailangan namin mag-empaque early. Kasi nga early din kami bukas. Okay. Guys, we're leaving Europe. Uwi na kami sa mga kanya-kanya naming lungga. We're so ready to go. Oh, ready na yung bags. Ready na.
We came with one luggage, and we're coming home with another one.
Now it's 2.
Now it's 2. In a nice, really nice cleaning bag. Ta-da! Oh my God, gastos. Oy!
Ang gastos magbakasyon.
See, that's why you work. You don't only work just to work
Yes.
and to pay bills.
You have to enjoy your money.
Hindi tayo pinanganak para mag-work lang.
Yeah,
And bills.
that's true. Guys, check out na talaga. Goodbye na talaga.
Goodbye na talaga.
Hindi, ano lang, para lang siyang niluluha yung dito ko.
Umiyak sa mga
Ah, yes. 2 years naman. Mag-iipon muna, ha? Yeah.
wala kasi kinataman na.
Yeah.
Cannot afford.
Hindi mo na uuwi ng Pilipinas. Amin siya, uuwi siya kasi kakasal siya. So ako hindi muna ako uuwi ng Pilipinas. Mag-iipon for 2027. Magbababay na siya, guys.
Bye guys! See you next vlog! Hindi na ako kasama.
Yeah, iba kasi yung terminal niya, iba din yung terminal ko. Bye.
Bye bye! It was nice. Nice meeting you.
First time naman mag-meet ulit.
Sarap. Nice seeing you again.
Yeah. Bye-bye!
Mwah! Mwah!
If you had my